The UF20B Spot Welder from AWithZ is a versatile tool offering 3 modes of operation, including automatic, manual, and foot pedal, ensuring flexibility for various welding tasks. A key feature of the UF20B is its quick start capability, reaching the spot welding mark in 5 minutes, which is ideal for efficient and swift operations. This spot welder is designed for a wide range of applications, capable of working with different battery types and materials, such as nickel-plated sheets and stainless steel. Equipped with a robust energy storage system, the UF20B offers stable and sustainable operation with a maximum pulse welding power of 10 kilowatts, catering to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The product's design is not only aesthetically pleasing with its rounded aluminum alloy exterior, but also safe, featuring flame-retardant properties. With thoughtful packaging, the UF20B includes all necessary accessories for immediate use, making it a practical choice for those in need of reliable spot welding equipment.